What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I am going to essentially show you the process of the last 2 months of getting this 1970s GTO Judge, formerly Ram Air Restorations car, as his prototype, which is pretty badass. All his stuff that Ram Air Restorations made and sells on his website, it all came from this car. So my boss bought it. Now it's his, and we've essentially spent, well, not we, the mechanic. I helped here and there, so a little bit of things here and there, but in the last 2 months we've got this car from being I don't know what it is, a dust collector. He'd move it out, do whatever. We got it from essentially not running to running. This is the process. It's something a little different. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. I just wanted to give you guys something different, I guess. I don't know. But either way, enjoy the video, guys. Let me know what you think. That's just a reflector. The bottom one works. What to say? Partially.
Just see if it will turn over. Okay, good. Go ahead. Okay, try it once. Do it again.
Come on, baby.
Okay, try it again. Okay, that's what they're
Yeah.
Try it again. Okay, try it again.
That's all the material shit, all the grease when they were putting the exhaust on. It's all burning off now. Put. No traction. Well, that's the whole video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I know there was some this way version versus this way version, but I was on my phone. I didn't really think I was gonna make a whole video out of it, but I don't know, man. I'm in love with the car. Just the muscle car, like I don't know. I'm a weirdo. But yeah, after the shakedown run that you guys just saw, we found out that it actually yesterday's shakedown run we found out that it had a fuel line, a minor crack in one of them. Hence why we're gonna replace all fuel lines. And then today we found out that the oil pump, not oil pump, the water pump went out. So either way, in the end, just gonna play it safe, replace all the hoses, replace the water pump, and probably get another shakedown test. I'll try to record more. I feel like every video I say try to record more, but I do what I can, guys. I do what I can. I don't know.